Hi everyone. I'm waiting for Imelda. She is going to meet me here and bring something nice from South Africa. Ah, here she comes.
Hi
Imelda.
Thomas.
Hi.
Hey, I've got a perfect car for you to have a little bit of fun on a closed track. Are you in?
So what do we have here?
Well, we've got the Polo GTI and it has its 25th years of anniversary.
Happy anniversary. So, who's going to start? You want to go first?
Well, actually none of us.
Hmm?
Yeah, we're gonna leave the driving to somebody who actually really knows how to do it.
I'm Jasmin Preisig and I'm a race car driver for more than 20 years. Now at the moment I'm doing some endurance races like the 24 Hours of Dubai and the 24 Hours of Nürburgring. And yeah, racing, it's my passion, it's a very big part of my life and I'm living about the motto, let's fets.
Great to have you.
Hi, nice to having me, thank you.
So tell me, how's the season going this year?
It's going well, some up and downs, but something like this is always a good training for me.
Of course, and you're gonna be great. So, should we get started?
Do I have a choice?
Let's fets.
Okay.
Start? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes! Let's go!
Okay, zippy.
For me, the car is very perfect. Yeah, very precise.
I'd say very
Nice.
comfortable on the back seat.
Oh, and you do that all the time?
Yeah, not all the time. No, at the street I don't drive like this.
We are alive. We are alive.
Oh, this was great.
Ah, that's perfect timing. Hi, Martina.
Hi Thomas, greetings from South Africa. I just wanted to ask whether our shipment from our plant in Carrera arrived safely.
It certainly did, and we've just checked it out.
And it was very convincing.
Thank you very much. Our team here in South Africa is very proud of this car. The Polo has a long tradition with us, specifically the Polo GTI, as we built it exclusively here in South Africa.
And you can be really proud of it, Martina. It's a real car for the heart.
The team there is doing a fantastic job. Send my greetings. All the best.
Happy birthday GTI. Thank you very much and see you soon.
So Thomas, are you ready for another round?
Maybe another time. I think my next meeting is about to start.
Yeah. Okay, you and I go.
Yes,
Let's go. Come on.
Volkswagen.